Hey everyone, welcome back to Quiz You Know. In today's videos, you will hear different versions of the same song. Your challenge is to listen carefully and guesses which version it is. There are 16 questions. You get 10 seconds for each one. One correct answer equal 1 point. Before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe the Quiz You Know. Let's begin. This one sounds straight out of childhood. Can you guess the version? That iconic voice gives it away. Mickey Mouse. A strong boy band, energy right here. Who's behind this version? The correct answer is Saja Boys. High-pitched, cute and super catchy. Listen closely. The Chipettes. This one feels cultural and aesthetic. The correct answer is Thailand version. Celebration mode on, royal style energy. Any guesses? Big celebration feel, Jubilee. If this makes you smile instantly, you already know it. Legendary alert, Crazy Frog. Chaotic, colorful and totally new gen vibes. That madness belongs to Pomi.
I was a ghost, I was alone. Oh.
Animated word, animal energy, mystery sound. Welcome to the city, Zootopia. Short name, big attitude. That cold energy is Spunky. Soft, calm and dreamy. Listen carefully. So peaceful, Moonie. playful, loyal, and full of life. Nothing beats it. Talks. Icy vocals with powerful presence. Only one queen fits, Elsa. Elegant, smooth and classic sound. That style is Liana. Anime fans, this one's for you. True fans knew it. Hitomi floor. Holiday vibe, winter modes, cozy feels. Festival energy unlocked. Christmas Huntr. Old school gaming sound, pure nostalgia. OGs recognize it, 8-bit. Comment your score, like the video, subscribe the more quizzes.